And we're back. Now, while Bitcoin and Ethereum were lighting up the crypto charts today, crypto-related stocks were quietly stealing the show on Wall Street. Shares of companies tied directly to the crypto economy surged across U.S. markets. Coinbase jumped roughly 8 to 10%. Strategy, formerly MicroStrategy, rallied as much as 6 to 15% depending on the session. And Robinhood also saw strong gains as retail investors piled back into crypto exposure. This kind of move tells us something important. When traditional investors want exposure to crypto, especially large institutions, they don't always buy tokens directly. Sometimes they buy stocks that benefit from crypto growth. Companies like Coinbase act as a gateway to the industry, while Strategy's balance sheet is heavily tied to Bitcoin itself. So when Bitcoin rallies, these stocks often amplify the move. And today's rally had the perfect narrative behind it. First, Bitcoin pushing back above $72,000 restored confidence that the market may have found a short from bottom. Second, Trump's strong support for the Clarity Act suggested regulatory momentum could finally be shifting in crypto's favor. And third, the Kraken Federal Reserve banking milestone gave investors another signal that crypto is slowly integrating into the traditional financial system. Put all of that together, and you get a perfect storm of bullish sentiment. Now, if Bitcoin continues pushing higher, especially toward the $75,000 to $78,000 range traders are watching, these crypto-related stocks could continue climbing as well. Some analysts are already suggesting we could see 20% or more upside in these equities if momentum holds. But as always, if Bitcoin stalls or macro risks return, these stocks could also pull back quickly. Because when it comes to crypto exposure, they tend to move fast in both directions. But perhaps the most interesting story today isn't the rally itself. It's how Bitcoin behaved during one of the most volatile geopolitical environments in recent memory.